one important thing to consider when you're considering this is that a multi-lift with a speedy bar is always going to be the way to go, particularly when you know that you're going to be in the same vehicle or two or three of the same, different models that you are certain about. Because if you are using this, remember that we now would have to take all of this apart and put it in the trunk of the car. Sounds like a pretty simple thing, but I'll show you what's involved in that. That's a fair amount of work. So we're going to remove all of this right here. Remove the multi-lift. Remove the leg. Remove the other leg. So we now move this right here. Disengage this pin. You can also take the unit and lean it forward. The heaviest piece you're going to have is this one right here, 21 pounds. Okay. But, all of this would have to be put in a safe container and put in the trunk of the vehicle or in the boot, depending on where you're from. And, that's going to be a little bit of time and energy and effort. So this is great for occasional use, but probably not recommended for daily use, just because of the usability factor. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you deserve mobility in the way that you want, in the vehicle that you want to ride in. And that's what our goal has been for the last 30 years in developing this product and helping you to gain greater mobility. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/AccessUN. We're on Twitter and X at AccessUN. We're on Instagram as Access Unlimited, one word. Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel has over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/AccessUN. Best way to contact us is on our website at accessunlimited.com. Click on the contact icon. And evenings and weekends are no problem. Country code 1-615-873-0518. Daytimes 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. Country code 1-607-669-4822. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the multi-lift and the Easy-Base combination for occasional use to put a person into a vehicle. Check out the videos down below. Hope you enjoy what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.